What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass. At the time of recording, it's Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, and we're back here in Framingham. We find ourselves here today because we got word that last night Rolling Stock Solutions number 1003, the newest F40 PH4C being leased to the MBTA, has arrived in the CSX yard. With the drone now up in the air, let's head over to the yard and see what we can find. Things here are all calm now, but we're just hours away from a blizzard that's about to hit the area. As we enter the yard, there is some CSX power idling here, but unfortunately it didn't make any movements during my visit. Unfortunately, the unit's kind of framed in here, but we did find what we're looking for. We're just not getting any pictures from the street today. This is the latest F40 PH-4C being leased by the MBTA. What we see now is really the beginning of a transition period. These lease units will be coming in, and the HSP 46 will be going out for rebuild soon. The original plan was for the MBTA to be leasing about 5 or 6 of these units, but rumor now has it that more will be coming. Please ignore the classic sounds of downtown Framingham in the background. "1003 here is the third unit being received by the MBTA, but unfortunately the first one suffered a lot of problems and was forced to be sent back, and 1002 is now in service on the north side. Although I didn't get the angles on this unit I would have hoped for today, we're very likely to see it again in my next BET update video. With no MBTA or CSX action going on at the moment here, we're going to end today's video with the flyover of the yard. Alright guys, that wraps up today's little afternoon adventure here in Framingham. If you haven't done so already, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.